Holdfast Marine's videos are sponsored by me. I pay the bills. Thank you. Hey everybody, Will from Holdfast Marine, your local boat shop. Today's part 2 of the Red Boat. We're going to be, well, if you watched the last video, you would have seen that I had mentioned I was going to put a couple pieces of fiberglass over those rough areas that we cut out. So I have my 1708 here all laid out. I've already made a template of kind of the size that I want to use. And we're going to go ahead and cut these out real quick and then go out and sand her down real fast. Totalboat surface prop on there. I don't need this mask anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up just 5 ounces of epoxy. I don't think I'm going to need any more than that. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see how much fiberglass dust. We'll see how much this stuff soaks in, because I want to pre-wet it out here on the table. A recommendation that I would give to everybody, and this isn't just with epoxy resin or polyester resin or whatever, it's even things like 2-part epoxy, you know, in the pre-mixed tubes, especially for like knife makers and things like that. Lay all of your stuff out first. So have your fin roller, your chip brush, your mixing cups, whatever, have that all laid out, ready to go, so that you can just grab stuff and go, and you're not like running around the shop hunting for something. Take a couple extra seconds just to kind of see if you have everything that you need to do this particular job that you're doing. Wish I had those pumps for that, because I had to mix up 5 ounces so that I could get a proper mix, and I've got 4.5 ounces left. So this is maddening, absolutely frustrating for me without those pumps. So yeah, I don't know, I may do something a little different here and maybe order a 1-to-1 epoxy tonight, because I can't be wasting, you know, as a business owner, you know, I can't be wasting all of this material. I understand that it has a shelf life, but it's awfully wasteful for me. I'd rather be able to hang on to this stuff for, you know, other builds. You saw in that quick little speedy delivery video me cleaning my fin rollers, and when I'm just doing a quick little job like that, I'll just put some acetone in a pail and have it all ready to go. I'm using acetone to clean my fingers off. You're not supposed to do that, but whatever. Anyway, yeah, so I'll put acetone into the bucket here, just so that it's ready for me when I come in. I can just drop the fin roller right into it and stop any, you know, if something's starting to cure on there or whatever. That's fine. You also saw a couple of minutes ago the you know, how the fiberglassing looks on the boat. So I'm going to let that set up for, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It's Sunday, so I'd much rather, again, be home. But yeah, so we're going to let that set up and see what happens, and we'll let you know what we're going on from there. All right, so the fiberglass is all on. It is sort of setting. Still pretty tacky there, but that's okay. You can see our cup here has gone super thermonuclear, but that's okay. So yeah, so everything else here is still pretty good, still pretty tacky. Looks all right. I think it's gonna set up fine. I don't know if you can hear this or not, but it is raining. I'm so happy that I have this blue cover. I cheaped out. It's not an expensive one. I paid like 30 bucks for it at a retailer that I will not mention because I refuse to shop there, but that's okay. Yeah, so I think it all looks pretty good out here. Now we just got to do the fairing.